lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DC, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use or make rice water to grow your child's hair, even for yourself as an adult. So before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe and share if you're interested in such videos. And as we're going to start, we need rice. Yes, we need a raw rice, that is uncooked rice. And you see a little bit my rice is kind of brown, not all that white. You can use white rice if you don't have access to black and brown rice, of which this rice is much more higher in protein. And you know, our hair is full of protein content that helps our hair to grow very well. And when you use this rice water in your hair, or let's say in your child's hair, it's going to maintain the length and also to have it as it moisturize the hair in addition to your good oil. So I'm going to start out by washing my rice water to remove any dirt that is on the rice. And I'm going to wash it also once again. Now I'm done. I'm going to transfer it into a mason jar or any container that can be air tight closed. Yes. So now, as you can see, I'm done. So I'm going to fill it up all the way a little. That's what I have right now. So I'm going ahead to cover it for 24 hours. Yes, store it in a cool, dry place or a warm place for 24 hours. Then you. Hey guys, it's early morning and our rice water has been left to sit in the dark for 24 hours, and that's how our rice water looks like. So now I'm going to need a spray bottle, and I'm going to need a strainer and a funnel. Then so I'm going ahead to strain my rice water into my strainer. This can be done or left for another recipe. That could be rice milk, also for deep conditioning. So I'm going ahead to add my vitamin C oil that I made for myself. As you can see, I just used this essential oil bottle. Then I'm going to add some few drops to it to make it feel or smell nice. Yeah, I'll leave the link down below to see how to make your own vitamin C oil in the description bottle below. So I'm going ahead to shake it, then apply it to my daughter, so you can apply this to your hair for hair growth. So simple and so easy. So guys, that's my rice water that I have. I'm going to apply it to a hair hair has been in twist or in braids for about a week now, so that's how I'm going to apply it. So after every apply, I'm going to massage her scalp and her edges. That's how her hair. I started growing her hair not long ago, about 6 months ago, and that's the length of her full natural hair that we have gotten. Yes, almost 5 inches of hair that we have gotten so far with the rice water and her home oil that I have been showing you. So I'm going to apply some to her so just massage it with not to forget her edges as well. Yes, so simple and so easy to do. All right guys, so I'm going ahead to twist all this back into or make it nice, and after that I'm going to apply a moisturizer. That is the neem oil that I made with the avocado oil.